बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब? होप सब लोग ठीक ठाक होंगे, खैर ऑफिस से होंगे। आप लोग देख रहे हैं स्टडी टाइम यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के इस लेक्चर में आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूंगी चैप्टर नंबर 10 के शॉर्ट आंसर्स। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, अ सॉल्ट ब्रिज मेंटेन द इलेक्ट्रिकल न्यूट्रलिटी इन द सेल। द पर्पज ऑफ द सॉल्ट ब्रिज इज टू प्रिवेंट एनी नेट चार्ज accumulation in either beaker by allowing negative ions to leave the right beaker, diffuse through the bridge and enter the left beaker. By this diffusional exchange of ions, the salt bridge maintain electrical neutrality in the cell. Question number 2, SHE act as anode when connected with copper, but as cathode when connected with zinc electrode. When SHE is connected with copper, it acts as a node, but copper is below H in electrochemical series. Copper has greater reduction potential and has better tendency to reduce as compared to SHE, but when SHE is connected with zinc, it acts as a cathode. The reason is that zinc is at higher in electrochemical series than hydrogen, so zinc has less reduction potential and has small tendency to reduce as compared to standard hydrogen electrode. Question number 3, the standard oxidation potential of zinc is 0.76 volt and its reduction potential is 0.76 minus 0.76 volt. Both oxidation and reduction potential value of an element have same magnitude, but they are written with opposite sign. Reduction potential represent tendency of substance to accept electron, while oxidation potential represents the tendency to lose electron. The equilibrium is set between metal atom of electrode and ion of that metal in a cell. Explain. When a metal strip is placed in a solution of its own ion, there are two tendencies. The metal atom may dissolve up as positive ion. In this way, the electrons are left behind on the metal electron. On the other hand, the metal atom ion present in its solution may take up electron from the metal, imparting positive charge and getting discharged as atom. After a certain period of time, the rate of two opposing processes become equal and equilibrium is established between metal atom of electrode and ion of metal in a cell. Question 5, a porous plate or a salt bridge is not required in lead storage cell. Question number 6, conduction through metal and molten electrolyte. Metal or electrolyte. Differentiate between electrolytic cell and voltaic cell. Pure copper can be purified by electrolytic process. Impure copper can be purified by electrolytic process. Question number 9, lead accumulator is rechargeable. Question number 10, sodium and potassium can displace hydrogen from acid, but PTPD and copper cannot. Differentiate between ionization and electrolysis. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, ये मैंने आप लोगों के साथ चैप्टर नंबर 10 फर्स्ट ईयर के शॉर्ट आंसर्स शेयर किए हैं एक्सरसाइज के। मुझे उम्मीद है आप लोगों ने इन्हें नोट डाउन कर लिया होगा। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, दुआ में याद रखिएगा। मिलती हूँ अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।